Hey there and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use one of these. It's a GoPro mount and a GoPro Floaty. Alright, first up we have to unbox this bad boy. And it comes with this handy little guide there. And it comes with 3 very handy accessories. You've got the extension piece, the thumb screw, and the set screw. What else is in the box? Aha! This is what we're looking for, the Floaty. And it comes in a wide range of orange. And finally, there's also the GoPro Bite Mount. It's a good idea to wash it in hot, soapy water before you use it for the first time. So grab your GoPro, open the folding fingers on the bottom, now get the bite mount and grab this little set screw. What we're going to do is we're going to grab the extension piece as well, and we're going to push the end with 2 prongs into the bottom of the bite mount, and then we're going to screw it in with the set screw. Okay, so now we're going to grab the other end of the bite mount and we're going to push it into the folding fingers on the bottom of the GoPro, and then we're going to attach it to the GoPro with the thumb screw. Putting the Floaty on the GoPro is super easy. Simply push the GoPro into the larger opening and then make sure it fits nice and snug. And on the top you can see the record button is easily accessible. Also the power mode button on the side is easy to get to as well. And the back screen is easily visible. And on the side is this really handy hook where you can tie a lanyard or a piece of string which you can connect to your wetsuit if you're out surfing or bodyboarding. And the GoPro fingers are easily accessible through the bottom of the Floaty. So we've put the Floaty on the GoPro and we've attached it to the bite mount. There's only one more thing we need to do. Okay, so now it's time to get in the water. Turn on the power button, adjust the GoPro to the right angle, press the record button, and flip the GoPro. It's going to be upside down, of course. Then we want to check the front of the GoPro to make sure the red recording light is on. And we're going to slip it in the mouth and voila, you're good to go. And it's into the water, splish splash, having a swim, scaring away all the locals in the process. Ta-da! You can also use it out of the water as well, like if you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen. A little bit of cheese on top will go down nicely. Or if you're riding the pushy around the neighborhood. In the park playing some softball. Or kicking the footy with the kids. Or even doing a little bit of axe throwing. Oh, one more thing, the orange Floaty, well, it also floats. And it's easy to see in the water because of its bright, beautiful orange color. Okay, I'm a big fan of both these accessories. The Floaty is fantastic if you're doing any water activities, and the GoPro mount lets you capture brilliant POV vision. Alright, so one of the other things I love about this GoPro mount is it also comes with this mounting buckle here, which you can actually use on many other GoPro accessories, including this one here, which is the handler. Just gotta push it through, press down the rubber, and ta-da, you're good to go. If you are into GoPro accessories like I am, you should make sure you check out this video over here next, where I go over my 3 favorite GoPro accessories. As usual, thanks for watching today. Hope you got some value out of this video. And if you did, please make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button too. That would really help the channel. And until next time, I will see you later.